Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to stitch multiple audio files to one single file in Audacity. So first go right here, open Audacity, go to file, and then go to import audio, and then all your file will be shown right here. I save mine on desktop, and I will just select all the audio file that I want and click open, and when you open them they will be looking like this. And next you will click on select all, and then as you could see all of them selected. And then after you selected all of the audio file, you will go right here on track, and then you will go on align track. You will click on align end to end, and then after you click on this, they will look like this. But don't worry, you will go right here again on track. You will go on track mix, and then you click on mix and render. And then when you click on this, as you could see, all of them turn to one single audio file. And next you will click on file, export, and then you save your audio. As you could see, very easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can find more tutorial like this in the future. Peace out.